How to fix aspect ratio for your Snapchat camera. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide it quick and easy and how you can fix aspect ratio for your Snapchat camera. Well, Snapchat captures photos using your phone's camera aspect ratio, making it difficult to change directly. There are a few options to address this, including using a phone's display settings to hide the camera cutout or forcing the app to use specific ratio. Now, the number one thing you can do is some phones have settings to hide the camera cutout, which can improve the aspect ratio for Snapchat, so you can try that. If your phone has a cover screen, you can use it to display Snapchat in full screen mode, potentially adjusting the aspect ratio. Some phones offer settings to force apps like Snapchat to use a specific aspect ratio like 16:9. You can also use third-party apps such as image resizers. You can use online tools, third-party apps to resize images before sharing them on your Snapchat, ensuring they fit your desired aspect ratio as well. Snapchat primarily uses a 9:16 aspect ratio for photos and videos, which is the standard for most mobile content. You can find specific aspect ratio requirements for Snapchat ads in the Business Help Center. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.